So in addition to having a natural anchor link profile with time, you also got to make sure that the places where you're getting these links from are also natural. Like, I mean, it would be very unnatural to just have like blog comments, right? Like every backlink that you create is a blog comment. They're easy to do, so you may get tempted to only make blog comments, and no, but that's not going to help. One, it's going to raise some flags because Google is going to sort of understand that you're trying to game it, because kind of links that you're dropping are just one type of link. So and the same goes with PBN links. If you're only building PBN links, and that becomes a problem. However, it's there's also a quantity association with that. So the problem will only start arising when you're doing a larger quantity, when you cross a particular threshold. So with that said, just looking at the previous slide, I kind of realized that I want to talk about the different types of backlinks also. They have to be natural as well. The growth of your, not only your anchor ratio has to be natural, but even the sources where you're getting these backlinks from. So for example, your first anchor ratio could be a guest post link. The second one, which you do after maybe 3 or 4 days, could be a blog comment. And then after another week or so, you leave another blog comment. And then after a couple of days, you leave a link on Quora with you contribute to a question that's related to your topic, and then you drop a link back to your site. So you could get that link from Quora.com. Say you could do Yahoo Answers also. You could, and then the next link could be a sponsored link. And then you could get a forum post link where you visit a forum in your niche or in an industry, and then you drop an interesting comment, and you embed a link back to your site in that post. And then you could have a press release site which gives you a brand link. And of course, if you do a press release, you're not going to get one, you're going to get several of these backlinks, many of these. In fact, if you do a good press release and it gets indexed all over, you could end up getting 200, 300 backlinks. But Google recognizes those as press release links, and it will group it together and won't really count it towards an unnatural sort of link graph. But it's important to realize that when you drop your link in your press release, don't use your money anchors for that same reason. Just use a brand anchor. So use your My Drone site, the brand or the .com brand within the press release itself. A lot of press releases allow you to drop as many as 3 backlinks in the main body of the text. So make sure you do that. So after doing the press release, maybe you go out there and get another PBN link, right? A private blog network link, and you sort of get it from a powerful PBN site, which is why you use your money anchor on it. And then maybe another press release link. And it just echoes, because the press release, while you're building the PBN link, your press release hasn't been syndicated across all the sites, so there's a slight delay, and then some of the links appear after your PBN link. So that's perfectly natural, right? And that happens in the real world a lot. And then you could maybe get an image link from a guest post article that you write on somebody else's site, and then you get another link on a forum profile link. This is not the same as a forum post link, but the profile, right? In the forum, you have the profile pages, and some of the profiles allow you to give drop backlinks to your main site. And if you build up the authority of that forum profile page by having a lot of links within the forum pointing to that profile page, then that's how you build up authority within that profile page, and then you can pass all that authority and link juice down to your site. And then you can drop another blog comment. So if you look at this from top to down, this is just a naturally looking link graph. Not only are the anchors natural, not only is the time difference natural. The first, I've not indicated that here, but you could get the first link on day 1, and then the next on after a few days. and then the next one after a week, and just like vary it, and then another one after 2 days, depending on how competitive your niche is and what kind of post you're making and how fast you want to rank and what the competition's link velocity is. You need to vary things at your end as well. So keep these factors in mind. This is important, right? All these variables are important, and the way I do it is you just simply open up a spreadsheet and or a Google Doc and just track all of this, like track it all, because you're not going to be able to remember these things. Or if a VA is doing it for you, build in the system so they can track it. Give them the sheet and let them track it. Let them organize things so you can look at what's happening and track things over time. And then when you look at your rankings, you'll know exactly what's working and what you may be doing wrong. So with that said, I hope you got the gist of what I'm trying to say here, because this is very important when you're going out there and acquiring these backlinks, when you're going out there and building these backlinks. But this is a very, very important factor. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.